Good morning, friends. Hope you're doing well today. We're still in Poetry Month, and I'm back reading to you from my new book, Writing by Heart, A Poetry Path to Healing and Self-Discovery. And today I'm reading you a poem from the What Do You Belong To section, and this is called I Belong by one of our dear poets who comes to workshop, Nicole Phillips. I belong. I belong to bare feet and ancient spirits dancing. I belong to rhythm, to the drum, to heartbeats and bird song. I belong to Paula's farm, jumping in hay bales, milking goats, swimming in the pond. I belong to tear elixirs sourced from the well of my heart to integrate all my feelings. I belong to strawberries, figs, and pluots, wisteria, lupine, and wild sweet peas. I belong to long walks, to flowers, to colors. I belong to olive skin, moon craters, moonshine, and a dark, invisible side. I belong to ginger tea, peppermint oil, and homemade salve. I belong to singing to heal the wound of keeping quiet. I belong to Boulder Creek, El Dorado Canyon, the Yuba River, Tennessee Valley Beach. I belong to words woven, songs springing. I belong. So maybe today you pick up a piece of paper and write a poem or a story or a prose piece about what you belong to. What do you belong to? Happy day.